Introducing the G-Touch Play Table, the dynamic, interactive and durable solution designed to engage young learners. Whether in a nursery or an early years classroom, this innovative technology enhances learning through collaboration, play and creativity. Built to withstand the demands of busy nurseries, the table features an easy-to-clean, antibacterial, tempered glass screen and smooth, rounded corners for safety. Tilting from an upright position to a flat tabletop, the Play Table adapts to different activities. Plus, with adjustable leg height and optional wheels, it's easy to move and set up in different areas. As well as the option for live annotations anywhere or anytime, the designated Whiteboard app offers a variety of creative tools. Advanced multi-touch technology and the ability to import and create alongside video and other browser content enables a dynamic and multimedia learning experience. Access to a library of engaging educational apps, including content aligned with early years foundation stage curriculum. Children can explore literacy, numeracy and creative skills through play. Built-in apps including the renowned Card Academy, Rock Band and multiplayer games, plus integrated access to the Google Play Store provides endless potential for gamified and engaging learning. With built-in security controls, teachers and parents can manage individual app accessibility, ensuring a safe and controlled digital environment. Alongside the designated student area, the Play Table's password-protected staff area allows for complete control over settings and content. The Play Table built-in PC allows full functionality of your files and access to internet browser, along with a variety of other built-in features. Seamlessly cast lessons, videos or interactive activities from your mobile, tablet or computer directly to the Play Table with wireless screen sharing, supporting Android, PC, iOS and Mac. Easily accessible, legacy and future-proof connectivity can all be locked away for security and safety. The G-Touch Play Table is designed to engage young minds, encourage collaboration and equip educators with the tools to inspire innovation. With a comprehensive 3-year warranty and flexible leasing options available, there's never been a better time to upgrade your classroom.